Have you ever looked at your garden and wondered if there's a secret ingredient to boost plant health and vitality? Discovering how to use alum for plants might just be the game changer you need, offering a natural way to enhance soil and water quality for your green friends. Welcome to our channel today. We're sharing how to use alum in plants and benefits of alum using in plants. To use alum for plants diluted in water and applied to soil, or use for water clarification, it improves soil structure, lowers pH for acid-loving plants, and clarifies irrigation, water enhancing plant health. Benefits of using alum for plants. Alum, a versatile compound, has been quietly making a significant impact in the world of gardening and plant care. Its unique properties offer two major benefits as a soil amendment and as a water clarifier, each playing a crucial role in enhancing plant health. Improved photosynthesis. Clear water allows more sunlight to penetrate, which is crucial for the photosynthesis process in aquatic plants. Reduced algal blooms. Alum clarifies water by removing excess nutrients that can cause algal blooms. Enhanced nutrient uptake. Clear water can improve the efficiency of nutrient uptake in plants. Prevention of root diseases. Murky water can be a breeding ground for pathogens that cause root diseases. Using alum in water clarification. Alum is not only beneficial for soil, but also plays a significant role in water clarification, an important aspect of plant care. This process of clarifying water using alum helps in maintaining the health and vitality of plants in various ways. Common mistakes to avoid. Incorporating alum into your gardening practices can be highly beneficial, but it's essential to avoid common pitfalls to ensure the health of your plants and the environment. Overuse of alum. The overuse of alum can lead to several problems, including soil acidification beyond the optimal pH for most plants. This can result in nutrient lockup, where plants are unable to absorb essential nutrients from the soil, leading to poor growth and health. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more gardening tips and tricks.